Hi friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will be understanding operations management and under that HR operations. These are all the various subheadings that we are going to cover. A need of HR and then roles and responsibilities of HR, a value system, what is their role, and then talent management system and other HR policies. From the purpose point of view, we need to understand why exactly we need HR. Because we are into a people business, so even when we are doing the business things, we are understanding that there are a lot of people who are behind that and also in the next steps also. So understanding the people, the behavioral aspect and other things and managing the people is going to be extremely important task, and that's why it makes a lot of sense to have HR department. From roles and responsibilities, we can understand HR play a very important role in creating a value system, talent management, HR policies, and for various statutory compliances that are arising from the government, it will be an important role. From the value system, we can understand based on the vision and mission of the organization, certain examples can be, we can have integrity, intelligence, passion, fairness, result orientation, so all these kind of things. So it completely depends on the organization's vision and the purpose of that particular vision in the organization. So these values plays a very important role, and if it is enforced, they can give a wonderful results for the organization. From talent management point of view, HR will play an important role in managing the technical skills and also in the soft skills. Technical skills means to say that to get any job related task to be done where there is a high skill oriented tasks are required. It can be engineering job or any other things. Soft skill oriented things is nothing but attitude related jobs, and where we have to make a clear mindset to get the things done. So all those things talks about with respect to the people skills, soft skills, this kind of attitude also. When we talk about the recruitment, it is a holistic process. It involves the 3 A's. One is the attitude of the candidate whom we are going to recruit to start with, and then we need to understand their accomplishments, whatever that they have done before, and then we need to also understand their academic record. So when we are very much confident about all these 3 areas in this particular candidate, then we can be very much sure that he can be a wonderful asset for our company. So we need to always understand that the raw material also plays a very important role when you are making a statue. So by simply taking any stone, you cannot make it, but again the complete stone itself should be good. Later you can always do some kind of modification on that to get the required result. From the HR policies point of view, we all know that in the organizations there would be leave management system, transportation, provident fund management systems, and then payroll systems. So all these things can be integrated into a systematic way like a ERP or something like that, but these things needs to be taken care by a specific department, and for that we are already having HR. So they are the experts in this, and we need to leave our job for the experts like them. So to conclude, we all know that we are in the people business. That's why we need HR and HR department. And when we have them, there are all other systems like value system, recruitment system, talent management system, all these things and including statutory will be taken care from them. That's all in this video. Thank you so much.